If these guys aren't fueling their body with the right food, they've got no chance of getting through a day's training, let alone 32 fucking weeks. What are you eating?
In the field, we have a 10-man ration pack.
Breakfast, sausage and beans.
Sausage and beans.
Very nice.
Oh, fuck me, look at that. It's like inside a fucking nappy. Holy crap. Smell. Prince Harry was complaining about it recently on service in Afghanistan.
Yep.
Do you know what I mean? It's a far cry coming out of Buckingham Palace.
Yeah.
You guys deserve better. Right, we're going to do something exciting, yeah? Spicy beef curry.
After putting me to the test, it's now my turn to give the orders. For this substantial dish, we're going to use rump steak, which is high in protein.
Cut it in half, and what we're going to do now is get these really nice large cubes. Have you ever been out, looked at the rations, and just said, fuck that, I'm not eating that?
Yeah.
Yes. Quite occasionally, the lads would take out their own stuff. Herbs, spices, Tabasco, anything to take the taste off of what you're eating.
Marinate the beef in garam masala, yoghurt, olive oil and salt and pepper.
Now we're going to chop the onions.
A whole lot?
The whole lot.
Grate fresh garlic and ginger over the onions.
I can think of the indigestion eating all those fucking rations. So ginger's a welcome spice.
Add chilies, sugar to help caramelise the onions, followed by coriander, cardamom and ground spice. Dry roasting will help intensify the flavour. Mix fennel, coriander, cumin and fenugreek seeds, which are rich in dietary fibre and soothe the stomach. Quickly colour the marinated beef to seal in the flavours.
That's the noise I want to hear.
Mix in the beef, adding chopped tomatoes and tomato puree.
So the tomato paste goes in place of any sort of cream or butter, so it's a really nice, healthy way of eating a spicy curry. Stock in, that's just normal beef stock.
The spicy beef curry is then left to simmer before being served with rice, a virtually fat and cholesterol-free, slow-release energy source.
Gentlemen.
Things in, lads, here.
Come on, guys. Excellent.
Is that it, is it?
No, I've got to put the extra spice in yours. Yeah, those fucking press-ups this morning.
Bit spit. Do you want to spit in it?
Already have.
Sure. Cheers, Gordon.
These guys are half my age, right?
Yeah.
I didn't come last. That's the most important. Are you happy?
Yeah, I am, yeah. No, really nice, that.
I'm going to do Tarzan next time. I'm going to give you a fucking run for your money.
Let's get him, lads! Get him! Oh, no! It's not fucking fair!
Come on, Grandad! Shit. It's fucking freezing.